One of the biggest challenges with using a GoPro as a helmet mount cam is wind noise. Unless you want to use an external mic, every single time you get on the bike, you're kind of stuck with it. Today we're going to be testing a wind slayer. All it is a foam case, whatever you want to call it, that goes around your GoPro. And now that we have it installed, let's go for a ride and let's see how it does.
Programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic journalism lights up Mr. Howard.